Hi, in today's video we are making soft, airy sweet pancakes. So let's start by cracking two beautiful eggs into a big bowl and carefully separate the whites from yolks. Add the white in a bigger bowl and the yolks into a smaller bowl. And let's get down to some arm workout. Grab a whisk and start whisking the whites. When little fish eyes appear, add a tablespoon sugar and add the remaining when a kind of foamy texture forms. Beat them until your arms fell off or you got a beautiful soft fluffy cake to work with. Onto the yolks, add 4 tablespoons milk of a very wise cow. Now add the dry ingredient, add 3.5 tablespoons all-purpose flour. Give a good whiskey business. Add half teaspoon vanilla essence. It helps to eliminate the bad smell of eggs. And now add the yolky mixture into the meringue into the whites and slowly fold them while lifting from bottom to all around up, and try not to overmix them, otherwise you are gonna deflate the whites, and try not to undermix them also. Pan on low heat and grease with a thin layer of a teaspoon of oil. Use a piping bag or just a scoop, a cup, anything that can hold the batter, and scoop the batter into the pan. I'm adding half of the batter for one cake because I want them big and fluffy. You can make 3 medium-sized cake, but I am making only 2. Alright, add a teaspoon of water in the blank area of pan and cover with lid and let them steam and cook for 5 minutes on low flame. These pancakes deflate a little bit after removing from heat, but that's the part of their journey. It's been 5 minutes. Now it's the second most important part, which is flipping those fluffy babies. Perfect, one is done. Now it's time for the second one. I messed up a little bit, but that's alright because it's not gonna destroy the structure of pancakes. Cover it and let them cook for another 3 minutes on low flame. So here we have the golden fluffy airy pancake souffle. Put some butter on top and down with your favorite liquid sugar of choice. I'm going for honey, and melt these fluffy, airy, sweet golden clouds into your mouth. So thank you. Bye.